globalization and its impact on local industries. Globalization refers to the growing interconnectedness and interdependence of economies, cultures, and societies across the world. It's driven by the rapid advancement of technology, trade liberalization, and the increasing mobility of capital and labor. Over the past few decades, globalization has had a profound impact on industries globally, reshaping markets and influencing the way businesses operate. While some local industries have flourished due to globalization, others have faced challenges as they struggle to compete with multinational corporations and imported goods. This article delves into the various effects of globalization on local industries, discussing both the opportunities it offers and the challenges it presents. Understanding globalization and its economic impact. Globalization involves the integration of markets, trade, and investments, leading to the creation of a global economy. It allows goods, services, capital, and labor to move more freely across borders, making economies increasingly dependent on each other. This phenomenon has led to an increased flow of foreign direct investment, the spread of new technologies, and the growth of multinational corporations that operate in multiple countries. In essence, globalization has transformed the world into a more interconnected marketplace where local industries must navigate the dynamics of global competition, innovation, and economic shifts. Positive impacts of globalization on local industries. One of the most significant benefits of globalization is the access it provides to new markets. Local industries that were once confined to their domestic markets can now expand their reach globally. By exporting goods and services to foreign markets, these industries can tap into larger consumer bases, boosting revenue and encouraging growth. Additionally, globalization facilitates the transfer of knowledge and technology, allowing local industries to improve their productivity, innovate, and remain competitive in a globalized world. Increased investment and economic growth. Globalization has led to an increase in foreign direct investment, with multinational companies establishing operations in various countries. These investments often stimulate local economies by creating jobs, increasing production capacity, and improving infrastructure. As local industries expand due to foreign investment, they can gain access to capital, advanced technologies, and managerial expertise that improve their competitiveness. This leads to higher productivity, the creation of new industries, and ultimately, economic growth. Access to new technologies and innovation. Globalization accelerates the diffusion of technological advancements across borders. Local industries can benefit from adopting cutting-edge technologies from more developed countries, allowing them to improve efficiency, reduce costs, and enhance the quality of their products. Innovations such as automation, artificial intelligence, and digital platforms can help local businesses streamline operations and meet the demands of global consumers. Additionally, international collaboration fosters innovation by enabling industries to share research and development knowledge, thus driving industry revolution. Increased competition and market saturation. On the flip side, globalization also brings with it intense competition. Local industries that once dominated domestic markets may face pressure from international companies offering lower price or higher quality products. For example, small and medium-sized enterprises or SMEs in developing countries may find it difficult to compete with large multinational corporations that have better access to resources, technology, and distribution channels. In such cases, local industries may experience market saturation, where the influx of global products leads to decreased demand for local goods and services. The decline of traditional industries. In some cases, the rise of global competition can lead to the decline of traditional industries. Local businesses in industries such as manufacturing, agriculture, or textiles may struggle to keep up with the demands of a globalized market. These sectors often face stiff competition from foreign companies with lower production costs, advanced technology, and the ability to scale quickly. In many instances, traditional industries are forced to reduce their workforce or close their operations due to an inability to compete with the cost efficiency of global players. Shifts in employment patterns. The impact of globalization on local industries is also reflected in employment patterns. While some local industries experience job growth due to the influx of foreign investment and the expansion of export markets, Others may see job losses due to competition from cheaper imported goods. As multinational corporations dominate markets, local businesses may reduce their workforce or automate certain tasks to remain competitive. Moreover, the global nature of supply chains may result in the outsourcing of jobs to countries with lower labor costs, further affecting local industries and employment opportunities. Changing consumer preferences and demand. Globalization influences consumer preferences by introducing a wider variety of products and services. As local industries are exposed to global trends and innovations, they may be forced to adapt to new consumer tastes, expectations, and preferences. This shift can lead to the introduction of new products, improved product quality, and enhanced customer experiences. However, local industries that fail to keep pace with global trends may find it difficult to maintain their market share, as consumers increasingly turn to international brands offering better quality or lower prices. Cultural and economic integration. Globalization fosters cultural and economic integration by facilitating the exchange of goods, services, and ideas across borders. For local industries, this integration can lead to the blending of local and international business practices, resulting in a more diverse and dynamic economy. As local industries become more integrated into global value chains, they gain access to international expertise and insights, which can lead to more efficient production processes and better management practices. Cultural exchange through global trade also encourages local industries to adopt international best practices, which can ultimately enhance their competitiveness and productivity. Economic disparities between local and global markets. Despite the benefits that globalization brings to local industries, it can also exacerbate economic disparities. Local businesses may struggle to compete with multinational corporations that dominate global markets. These global players often have greater access to capital, advanced technologies, and efficient supply chains, which enable them to outcompete local industries. As a result, small businesses and local producers may be pushed out of the market, leading to an increase in economic inequality. Additionally, globalization can disproportionately benefit wealthier regions or countries, leaving less developed areas at a disadvantage. Environmental and social impacts of globalization. The rapid expansion of global trade and production can have significant environmental and social consequences for local industries. Increased production and consumption driven by globalization often lead to environmental degradation, such as pollution and resource depletion. Local industries may face growing pressure to adopt sustainable practices to align with global environmental standards. Furthermore, the social impacts of globalization, including labor rights violations, income inequality, and displacement of workers, can have a negative effect on the well-being of local communities. Local industries' adaptation to globalization. In order to thrive in a globalized world, local industries must learn to adapt. Successful adaptation strategies include focusing on niche markets, leveraging local knowledge and resources, and investing in innovation. By focusing on quality, customization, and differentiation, local industries can carve out a competitive advantage in a specific market segment. Additionally, adopting new technologies, improving operational efficiencies, and collaborating with international partners can help local businesses remain relevant and resilient in the face of global competition. The role of government is supporting local industries. Governments play a crucial role in ensuring that local industries are able to navigate the challenges of globalization. This includes implementing policies that promote fair competition, protect local industries from unfair trade practices, and support the development of key sectors such as manufacturing, agriculture, and technology. Governments can also invest in infrastructure, education, and training programs that can help local businesses build capacity and adapt to global market dynamics.